Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ferry Setiawan. I am from the class of Electrical Power System. I want to tell about my project in this mid-semester about renewable energy, PCE, Pest Control by Electricity Power Plant Utilization Hybrid Electricity, PLTPH, and solar panel based on IoT as environmentally friendly rice-based elimination solution. Um, in engineer, one is introduction, background, ideas used, component used in PCE, procedure of PCE, and deficiency and closing. In introduction, the purpose of writing this idea is to apply knowledge already owned in real activities in the community, as well as helping farmers to overcome pests on rice plants so that rice pests can be reduced and maximum rice yields can be achieved. In addition, so that the community also aware of the importance of using renewable energy at this time. To deal with pests in rice, most farmers use pesticides. The consequence of pesticides themselves can pollute the environment and also resulting in algae blooms due to water contamination from residual use pesticide. Therefore, the application of friendly rice pest control to environment by utilizing renewable energy sources is very necessary. In addition to overcoming rice pests, it can also reduce environmental pollution due to excessive use of pesticides. In the background, rice pests cause farmer rice production to decrease. When entering the rainy season in the period October and March, the population of pests on rice plant is relatively increased. Pests that often attack rice plant are plantophores, rice bugs, ladybugs, and rice flame borers. According to Septiana 2014, plantophore attacks are higher in the vegetative pests because the plantophores attack the young plant stems. Meanwhile, attacks by bugs and ladybugs occur in rice plant in the generative phase because bugs eat rice grains that are still ripe with milk by sucking the liquid on the rice grains, cause the grains of rice plant to become empty. Farmers deal with these pests using pesticides. Due to the excessive use of pesticides, is not only affect rice beds but also has a negative effect on other animals that live in the rice fields. In addition, residual pesticides cause blooming algae in the water around agricultural land. To overcome this, the let's break talk are needed that are effective, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Therefore, we design the PCE tool, Pest Control by Electricity, utilization of EOT-based hybrid power plant as an environmentally friendly rice pest control solution. This tool uses solar panel and a pico hydropower plant as a source of electricity that function to supply power to light and pest traps that will work night. Respace that approach the lamp will hit the traps that have been installed around the lamp so that the pet will be electrocuted and dead. To monitor the performance of this tool, IoT technology is used so that Its performance can be monitored on a time-based and remotely. Another study, a pedirized space trap has been designed used like from solar power that works automatically, which is lifted from night using a 4-watt LED lamp. Based on testing, the tool function well and can trap bats at night. The rice bats caused during the tool's testing were ricebug, ground bedbugs, green ladybug, rice stem bird, and grasshopper. The use of the PCE tool can have positive impact on farmer. In addition to rice pests that can be overcome, the use of tools that are easy and can be monitored in a timely manner remotely. In addition, farmers also no longer need to spend more to buy pesticides and also save the energy spent on spraying pesticide before. The supply of electric power generated by the hybrid plant is relatively lower than using only the supply from solar panel, so that electrical power can also be used as lighting in the rice fields owned by the farmer. Ideas use a design a rice insect and exterminator use renewable energy with an automatic control system. In the component on hybrid power plant, one solar panel. Solar panels are components that convert solar energy into electrical energy. Solar panels are the most important component in a PV mine grid system. Solar panels usually use units of watt peak capacity. Watt peak capacity is a unit that states the highest production power that can be produced by solar panel according to certain conditions. For example, is there is a 1000 watts power solar panel. The panel is capable of producing 100 watts of electricity. Is it is irradiated optimal for 1 hour? 2 battery. The electric generated by solar panel can be directed channeled to electronic device or can be stored for later use. If the electrical energy produced is stored, then a battery is needed as a place to store electricity generated from solar panel. The battery capacity used in a PV mini grid system is highly dependent on the needs and the desired initial calculation. In 3, charge controller. This component regulates that electric energy generated from solar panels to charge the battery. The charge controller is component that is quite important to maintain battery life. And 4, inverter. An inverter is an electronic device that converts direct current, like DC, from a battery or solar panel to alternating current or AC. This inverter is very optimal. It is needed if the electronic device that consumes electric requires AC power. Generator. This generator functions to generate electric energy and then follow it to the load that has been installed. Pipe. The pipe is used to drain the water to drive the turbine in the generator. In this project, a 2-inch PVC pipe is used. And the phone control panel. The function of the electric panel is to place electrical component as a support for electrical machines so that they can operate according to the working principle of the electric machine itself. To secure electrical components so that they are protected from influence around them to arrange component or electrical circuit to make them look neat and safe. And an electrical panel is tool or device that has a function to divide, distribute, and then distribute electrical energy from the source to the installed load. Cable. The cable is the Supreme NEI cable with a size of 5 millimeter. This cable is used to deliver electrical power from the solar panel and generator to the panel and then from the panel it is channeled to the load. Lamps are used to attract rice beds. When night falls, the lights are turned on, then the beds will be attracted naturally toward the light of the installed lit light. Per wire knitting. Use the eradicate rice beds by means of electric current. When the rice beds move toward the light source, the beds will be electrocuted on a wire net that is installed in a circle around the lamp. A procedure of PCE. As another study, a pediatric-based trap has been designed using light from solar power that works automatically, which is lit from 18 p.m. for 6 a.m. using a 5-watt LED lamp based on testing the tool function well and can trap pests at night. The rest pests caught during the tool's testing were rice bug, ground bedbugs, green ladybugs, rice stem borer, and grasshopper. The use of the PCE tool pest control by electricity can have a positive impact on farmer. In addition to rice pests that can be overcome, the use of tools that are easy and can be monitored in a timely manner remotely. In addition, farmers also no longer need to spend more to buy pesticides and also save the energy spent to spraying pesticides before. The supply of electric power generated by this hybrid plant is relatively rarer than using only the supply from solar panels, so that electrical power can also be used as lighting in the rice field owned by the farmer. That's conclusion, guys. Rice is the staple food for Indonesian people. Rice planting must be guarded against any obstacle that might occur during the process of planting to harvest. On of One of the obstacles that are often encountered is the presence of pests, often encountered by presence of pests that attack grass plant, which can cause loss for farmers. From these problems, a pest control device was created, namely PCE, pest control by electricity, which is a raised pest trap using conductive nets and light from solar power and environmentally friendly pico-hydro generator. This tool takes advantage of the attraction of pests that are attracted to light. Therefore, naturally, pets will be attracted to the light produced by this tool, especially at night. Okay, thank you for the watching. I'm sorry, but my watch to Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.